Principles of Care in Education. Introduction. Caring principles in education are one of the best ways to develop the care of ethics. Considering that education involves personal relationships, this VIO presents four issues that are so important if a teacher attempts to establish principles of care in an ethical way. There are a lot of feelings and emotions associated with care in relation. For that reason, these 5 issues help teachers to understand that care in relation is ethically, morally basic, just because every human life starts in relation, and it is through relations that a human individual emerges. Learning objective. To apply the issues related to the principles of care in education in the construction of ethical principles applicable to the future performance of the teaching profession. Issue number 1. Listening. Listening is important not only emotionally but intellectually. Listening to the ideas of students is clearly important pedagogically. Ask the student to think aloud. Listen to students when they talk to each other. Good teachers must be allowed to use their professional and moral judgment in responding to the needs of their students. Issue number 2. Thinking. Care requires thinking in a cognitive and affective dimension. Thinking implies empathy, continuity, and competence. Empathy means to encourage students to learn to read and respond appropriately to the feelings of others. Competence refers to the teacher's capacity to offer multiple possibilities for students to make connections. Continuity means connected to the past and future educational experiences and to other ongoing life experiences. Issue number 3. Creating a climate for caring. A climate in which caring relations can flourish. It means to meet individual needs, impart, acknowledge, and encourage the development of moral people. Every teacher to try to create a climate for caring. It must be underneath all what they do as teachers. Issue number 4. Extending the moral climate. Teachers should spend time talking with their students about moral foundation of the knowledge of the world. Caring teachers hope that their students take a caring attitude with them both professional and civic life. Conclusion. The caring relation in teaching is so important to build relationships of trust and loyalty within the framework of solid ethical principles. Receptive listening is a powerful intellectual tool. It is the basic attitude that characterizes relations of care and trust. Bibliographic references. Noddings N. 2019 December. The Caring Relation in Teaching. Oxford Review of Education 3A 6 787. Credits. SEDU, Escuela de Ciencias de la Educación, Licenciatura en Filosofía. Héctor Julio Galeano Rodríguez, 2022, UNAD. This work is protected by copyright under the ownership of UNAD. Any unauthorized reproduction or copying is a crime under national law.